Naje kubona half of the fair. Bamenye makuru kuko EGCF ishaka gufata abana muri Minembwe.
And the day I knew that they were helping children from Minembwe,
yaranzi yaje kumbwira.
He came and told me. The accountant said, I know you are not an orphan, but you are among the vulnerable families here. I used to take photos with all the organizations that used to come to our school. And when I went back home, I told my father, they have taken photos of me and now they're going to pay school fees for us. Mara is the story up to the time I knew about EGCF. To make the story short, my dad is a blind man. He got blind while he was 5 years. 15 years. He got blind while he was 15 years. He was still young, so he doesn't know about us. I used to lift my skirt and put it on the head. I was not shy, so I used to pass through the river. Sometimes I knew they were going to send me back home because I did not pay school fees, so I used to go with my dad. In the rainy season, I know at some point it was hard because it was rainy, so we used to go back home. There was war back home. We started escaping. And because of that reason, you are not able to do our national exams. And I remember the day the exam came to Rundu, we had escaped, so we missed the exam. They spread the message, but some were not able to receive the information because we did not have phones, all of us. When I saw the message, I did put on my uniform and I went to do the exam with no preparation at all. I did not have any preparation for the exam. I started selling salt. And for those who lived back there at home, you know, carrying salt, it's so heavy. I carried 25 kgs of salt. I removed them from Gitavi. When I reached at a certain place, it was hard. I used to take a half and leave the other half and take it to the marketplace. And for us, on this day, this day is very important to me, more than you can think about it.
Tic-tac, vuba vuba, tic-tac.
Tic-tac, tic-tac, tic-tac. Tic-tac, caméra cachée.
Unaweza kutenda mambo makubwa zaidi ya niomba. Baba, unaweza kufanya, unaweza kutenda mambo makubwa zaidi ya
nari ndimo ndashaka qualification y'amanota yo muri Kongo bayahindura muri system y'abanyakenya.
The time I was looking for qualification, changing my results from the Congo system to the Kenyan system.
Byari bigize igihe kinini cyane bamfungira uburyo bwo kwiga bakamwe ngo taguri qualifié ugomba gusubira muri diploma kana nari ngeze ahantu kure barambwa urasubira inyuma ugende uje muri diploma urangize diploma ukomeze gusubira aho warugeze noneho urangize degree.
It took a long time and the option they were giving me is to do a diploma so that I can level up to do a degree.
Yendi mararinze nije nyine ndi kugenda mu mwana ariko ngenda n'amaguru kandi nari mfite tike.
At that time I was singing that song that they have sung in a few minutes.
Ndagenda n'amaguru ni kure cyane sinzi nuko hitwa kure ngenda n'amaguru ndi kurira nje nyine mu nzira cyane ndarira ndirimba iyo ndirimbo umwanya munini cyane niyo mpamvu nasabye ko Hemani ifasha kwiririmba kubera ko uyu munsi nabitsinze.
I walked at the time that I was walking I sang that song and I was weeping so much and that's why they have sung that song for me because it's victory for me right now.
Ico gihe nibwo namenye umugabo wa Dr. Karanja.
That's the time that I knew the partner of Dr. Karanja.
Nahamagaye Dr. ndamubwira byananiye ku ishuri banze ko niga none sinzi ko ndi bubigenze.
And I called her and told her that they have given me a no at school because of what was happening.
Arangaya ngufashe ngweze nimero y'umugabo wanje muvugana yashaka kugufasha.
And she told me let me give you a contact of my husband, he is able to help you.
Yayimuhaye umunsi sinibuka umunsi neza ariko the next day umunsi ukurikiraho umunsi nabonye certificate inyemerera kwiga degree iyo ari yose muri Kenya.
The following day I was given the qualification to do any degree here in Kenya.
Thank you for stepping in when I was struggling.
Warakoze kwa waramfashije igihe byari binaniranye.
Ndashimira Dr. Christine Karanja.
I thank Dr. Christine Karanja.
Igihe na joininze Daystar niwe mwarimu twaganiriye wa mbere kuko natinya bari mucyane.
The time I joined Daystar, she is the first lecturer I was able to talk to because I was afraid of the lecturers.
Yambonye ndi mu ishuri yari kwaratwigisha.
I was in a class while she was teaching.
Yatwigishaga isezerano rya kera muri Bibiliya.
She used to teach us the Old Testament.
Noneho arimo aratwigisha ndarira stabwo namenye uko byagenze ico natekeje sinkiza arambona ndikurira.
While she was teaching I cried but I don't know what was happening, why I was crying.
Ndasohoka nja muri washroom ndasandagaruka.
I went out, went to the washroom and then I came back.
Garus arambona ntiyamvugisha class irarangira dusubira mu macumbi.
She saw me but she did not speak to me, so after the class we went back to our hostels.
Ngeze muri hostel nashe nguma ndarira cyane umunsi sinzi cyacambayeho nkomeza ndira niko numva tameze neza.
I kept on crying. I don't know what was happening. I was not okay at the moment.
Nibwo yampamagaye arambwira ngo nabonye uri kurira mu ishuri ndagushaka muri office yanje tuganire.
That was the time she called me and she said I saw you crying and I want you in my office. I want to talk to you.
Uwo ni umunsi yampaye igitabo yanditse.
That was the time she gave me a book that she wrote.
Ico gitabo yari marabigurisha nje kimpaye kubuntu.
She was selling them but she gave me a free book.
Yes. Ico gitabo cyari kivuga ngo don't marry a poor man.
The book says don't nushaka umugabo w'umukene.
Yeah, niko igitabo kivuga niko title ivugira avuga ngo don't marry a poor man.
Igitabo kiravuga ngo nushaka umugabo w'umukene.
Uwo munsi tago nariko numva nshishimiye cyane kubera ko nariko bantazana giso.
I was so joyful for the book, but I felt that I wouldn't read it.
Kubera ko nari mbabaye ko numva ntameze neza ko.
Because I was sad at the moment.
Uwo munsi aransengera.
On that day she prayed for me.
Yandika n'amagambo y'umugisha kuri iki gitabo.
She wrote words of blessings on the book.
Ico gitabo yakimpaye kuri tariki 5 z'ukwezi kwa 4 mu 2023.
She got me on this book on that 5th April 2023.
Nishimiye kubana nawe Dr. Grace, Dr. Karanja.
I'm happy to be with you Dr. Karanja.
Nishimiye no kubona n'umugabo wawe twari twavuganye ariko ntago nari muzi.
I'm also happy to see your partner today.
Yes. Hanyuma ndabanza gushimira abantu mbere yuko mvuga indi nkuru yari yose.
Before I say any story, I want to thank everyone.
ndashimira abantu bose bitabiriye uyu munsi.
I thank everyone who was able to attend this event today.
Ntangiriye kuri Heman Choir.
Starting from Heman Choir.
It is a family for me, it is a family.
N'umuryango kuri nge.
Ikindi ndashimira umuryango waje kuba mwabonetse.
I'm also grateful for my family who are available today.
Ndashimira abanyeshuri baje bavuye Daystar University.
I thank also the student from Daystar University.
Ndashimira EJHF.
I also thank EJHF.
Mbere yuko mvuga kuri EJHF,
before I talk about EJHF,
kamabwira ukuntu namenye EJHF.
Let me tell you how I came to know EJHF.
Ndakoresha umwanya muto ariko ndavuga amagambo yose nshaka kuvuga.
I'll use few minutes but I'm going to say all the words that I need to talk today.
Umunsi menya EJHF nari mu ishuri.
The day I knew about EJHF, I was in a class.
Ari umwarimu warunzi kuko nari stubborn cyane muri class.
There is a teacher who used to know me as a stubborn girl.
Ariko ntago nakoraga amakosa yo gusakuza cyangwa gukora andi makosa.
But I used not to make noise or do other mistakes.
Yari comptable.
He was an accountant.
Niwe wabikaga amafaranga y'ishuri.
He used to keep he was like a bazaar. He used to keep the money of the school.
Nuko yakontishuraga vuba.
And because I used not to pay on time,
twarakoroganaga iminsi myinshi.
I was on the wrong side with him all the time.
Naramureka kaza kwishyuza muri classe.
He used to come and say those who have to request for his money in the class. And I used to get out. After requesting for his money during the class, and I used to come back after he has gone. And he used to slap people a lot of times.
Kandi abandi biruka kandi mfite ideni ry'umwaka n'undi amadeni menshi.
And I had a lot of debt but I was still in class.
Inshi naraziriye nyinshi.
I ate a lot of slaps.
Yakaza kubitara cyane.
He used to beat people a lot of times.
Ariko kandi aramenya kuko ni mu banyeshuri batishoboye muri ico kigo cyose.
And he also knew that I was among the vulnerable students in the school.
Umunsi bamenya makuru kuko EJHF ishaka gufata abana muri Minembwe.
And the day I knew that they were helping children from Minembwe,
yaranzi yaje kumbwira.
He came and told me.
Yarabentagura impfuvyi ndabizi ariko ntushoboye ngo ino bagende gufotora ntaco bitwaye.
The accountant said, I know you are not an orphan but you are among the vulnerable families here.
Araza nakaza nifotoza n'umushinga wose uje. Abaje bose.
I used to take photos with all the organizations that used to come to our school.
Nanje mu rugo nshike mbwira papa bamfotoye bavuze ngo bazatwishurira.
And when I went back home I told my father they have taken photos of me and now they're going to pay school fees for us. And my dad said they're going to take you away one day. Why do you take photos with everyone?
Kubera tagaruko atara yarabazi.
He knew about them.
Tagarabazi.
Sorry, he did not know any information about them.
Ariko kubera ko yaramaze kuba disappointed n'imishinga myinshi zikadufotora ntigaruke.
But because he had that disappointment from other organizations. And he said people are going to steal you because you should not take photos with just anyone. I continued the escape game with the accountant and we pay any time that I feel like paying the school fees because it was hard.
Papa uyu ise uyu mukobwa uyu mama w'cyane umumama kandi
amurata cyane. The father of this lady over here.
Namukuru warasohotse niwe nabesheraga ntabwo yagiye mu kiraro yagiye gurisha inka azaza kutwishura.
And I used to lie that they have gone to sell the cattle, they are going to come back and pay you guys.
Ikinyoma cyaramvikanaga ariko
it was just a lie that was
nyuma y'igihembwe kimwe mbesha ibinyoma byinshi nkubiswe nyinshi.
After one semester and after telling all those lies, Dr. Grace was able to pay for us.
Ico gihembwe cyakurikiye ico ngico baje kudufotoramo barishuye yani fee yose yari isigaye.
After taking the photos of us, they paid a school fee for 1 year.
Igihe cyose nabaye ndi ku ishuri mbere yuko menya EJHF.
All the time that I was in school before I knew about EJHF.
Papa wabangaba niwe wadufashaga. Papa babiri.
Her father was the one who used to pay school fees for us.
Kuko niwe wari usigaye mu papa ushoboye.
He was among the fathers who are able or had the capability to pay school fees.
Papa uri wundi yarashaje ariko akabana kure no mu rugo iwacu.
And the father to him was old and also far away from our home.
Papa uyu nguyu niwe nagenda banyirukanye ngahura nawe mu nzira yagiye kuragira nkamutwara ku ishuri.
And his father, because he was like a nomad, when he was taking care of the cattle, we met on the road and I used to take him to school.
Yaratugwaniriye cyane.
He fighted for us
kugeza ubwo nabashije kumenya EJCF.
until the time I knew about EJCF.
Mu minsi mikeya cyangwa muri story nkeya zibanziriza igihe namenye EJCF.
And to summarize the story up to the time I knew about EJCF.
Kubatabizi papa ni impumyi yahumye ari afite imyaka 15.
To make the story short, my dad is a blind man. He got blind while he was 5 years. 15 years. He got blind while he was 15 years. He was still young, so he doesn't know about us, like knowing our faces and that.
Yeah, kubera ko ahantu twigiraga hafi no mu rugo kuri Gitavi.
Our school was near our home in Gitavi.
Ico kigo cishuzaga amafaranga menshi.
The school used to request a lot of amount of money. The school fees was high.
Ico gihe papa arambye ntago nshoye kwishura amafaranga uzazujana nabandi rundu kwigira irundu kandi hari kure nari na mutoya.
And my dad said I'm not able to pay the school fees which the school is requesting for us, so we are going to go to another school in Rundu.
Hari kure kandi ico gihe bari batarubaka bridge.
And the school was far away. The bridge was not there at that time.
Uruzi rukuzura.
And the river used to overflow.
Ndi mutoya tukaja kuvogera hantu inka zanyuraga ariko naho habaga huzuye cyane.
And you are passing through the place where the cattle used to pass through.
Kubera ko nari mugufa amazi yangera nkaha guki.
And because I was so short, the water used to cover me at some point.
Gafata akajipo kanje kagakuramo kagatwara guki.
I used to lift my skirt and put it on the head. I was not shy, so I used to pass through the river.
Indi minsi nkabona kuko neja ku ishuri bakanyirukana nabo ntacho bimfasha no kuvogera ayo mazi ngatwara papa.
Sometimes I knew they are going to send me back home because I did not pay school fees, so I used to go with my dad.
Kandi muri yo sezo y'imvura
in the rainy season
nabaga namugore ariko nabaga nzi ko tudashobora kwambuka twagera kuri tugasanga guzuye tugasubirayo.
I know at some point it was hard because it was rainy, so we used to go back home.
Impamvu nakaza mushana kugira ngo bumve impuhwe bandeke niki.
The reason why I used to take him is so that they feel sympathy for me and just take me into class. Let me thank EJCF.
Kubera ko nsubiye mu nkuru z'ibyabaye mbere ko nyimenya nyinshi kandi ntago naziba mu munsi.
If I go back to the stories before I knew about the foundation, there are a lot. I can't finish them right now.
Igihe cyarageze EJCF ishura umwaka nari ndimo mu wa gatanu wa gatandatu.
That time EJCF paid my fifth year in high school and also my 6th year.
Dutakaza communication nabo.
And after that we lost communication with them.
Intambara ziraba.
There was war back home.
Dutangira guhunga.
We started escaping.
Kubera izo ntambara examen d'etat yacu yaratinze.
And because of that reason you are not able to do our national exams.
Ndibuka umunsi ikizamini cyageze irundu twari twaraye mu gihuru.
And I remember the day the exam came to Rundu, we had escaped, so we missed the exam.
Bazutse bandika message tugenda tuyikwirakwiza ariko hari n'abatarayibonye kuko twese ntago twari dufite amatelefone.
They spread the message but some were not able to receive the information because we did not have phones, all of us.
Nabonye message nditegura ntanico niteguranye no kubise mu uniforme gusa ndavuga ikangende no ntawo ndeba.
When I saw the message I did put on my uniform and I went to do the exam with no preparation at all.
Nta preparation kabisa yari hari.
I did not have any preparation for the exam.
Twageze mu kizame turagikora iminsi 3 hari intambara dutaha mu tukava gukora ikizame tugataha mu gihuru.
So the exam was in 3 days and there was war at the time, so we used to go and do the exam and go back to the bushes to hide.
Cyari gihe kigoye.
It was a very difficult period.
Kandi ntanugo nari nizeye ko nzatsinda.
And I did not believe that I'm going to pass the exams.
Kuko nagira ubwoba bwinshi bako barasa tukumva amasasu turi muri room ya exam.
Because I had so much fear in me, we could hear the gunshots while we are doing the exam in the exam rooms.
Izo byararangiye exam irarangira ariko noneho ntakaza umurongo naje mbura ico nzokora nyuma yuko ndangije.
I finished the exam but I did not have the direction of what to do after the exams.
Ariko igihe cyarageze mbwira papa ntagonza kuko nari mfite ubwo abantu bako bapfa numva mfite ubwoba. Gashaka hari nigiye cyo gushaka iwacu niyo gahunda no gushaka.
After that, I had so much fear in me, and I told my dad, now this is the period of getting married because there's nothing else to do.
But
I did not want to get married.
And
there was so much hunger at that time, so the cattle used to come and eat is left in the farms.
She wanted
to travel, but there was no money or fare for her to travel at that time. And she said, I will go even if there is no way here. I was fighting to go back to the camp which is in Uganda where my sister lives. And my dad said it is not possible. I started selling salt. And for those who lived back there at home, you know, carrying salt, it's so heavy.
25 kilo.
I carried 25 kgs of salt. I removed them from Gitavi. When I reached at a certain place, it was hard. I used to take a half and leave the other half and take it to the marketplace. And for a lady to sell salt back there at home, it was something very not common. But I did not care about that.
A half of the fare.
Yabonye igice cha transport yarashaka.
Brother wanje yafashe amafaranga barafite yo guhahara yamo.
My brother took the money that they were to do the house shopping and she gave it to her.
Nafashe indege.
I took the plane.
Ariyo matike nyine nifite yo kungeza i Bukavu.
It was the only cash that I had to take me to Bukavu.
And at
the time when I left them, they had escaped into a house which had no roof. My dad was not able to say goodbye to me. And he said, go, may God protect you because there's no one else who is able to help you. I reached in Bukavu. I took 4 months before I reached in Uganda. I reached at my sister's place back in Uganda. I lived there for 2 months. And my results of the national exam came out. I had passed with 70%. I was not happy at all on that day. Because there in the camps, there's no other job. I was grateful for the results, but I was not happy. And then a day came. A person called me. A person called me. Do you know the foundation of African Hope Girls Foundation? And I said, yeah, I know about it. A woman called Grace Faraja.
yampamagaye arambwira ngo yamenye ko watsinze.
And she has called me and told me that she knows that you passed your exams.
None bashaka kuzakomeza kugufasha.
And they want to continue helping you.
Ntago navyiziye ko numva bitoshoboka.
I did not believe in it because I knew it was impossible at the moment.
Ariko byarashobotse.
But it was possible.
Ndaza muri Kenya.
I came here in Kenya.
Mbana n'umuvandimwe.
I lived with a brother of mine.
Iminsi mikeya nza kubana na Runyambo.
A few days I came to live with Uncle Runyambo. For those who know him,
niwe twabanye imyaka hafi 4.
I lived with him for almost 4 years.
Iyo myaka nizi Icyongereza ndi wiwe.
In those years I learned English while living in his house.
Niga computer.
I learned the computer packages.
Runyambo za kuja joining Daystar joining ishuri muri 2023.
I joined school in 2023.
Runyambo za kugenda.
And Runyambo was able to travel.
Nibwo nahuye na Bishop.
Overseas. After Uncle Runyambo traveled overseas, I met our uncle over here. Bishop, sorry.
Abo bantu bose.
All those people.
Ta muvandimwe.
There is no a family member there.
Mu buryo tuzi ta musinga warurimo.
There is no family member of mine among all those people. Even we are not even related in any way. But those are my main family right now. I joined Daystar. The time they took me to Daystar, I had so much fear in me. There are a lot of monkeys around Daystar. After leaving me there at Daystar, I cried a lot because I felt like I want to go back home. And I felt that I should not go back home, I should sit and learn. The first semester, I had so much fear in me because at any point a teacher is going to ask me a question. And I felt that I had no answer of any question at all. I used to just sit in the class and I used to go to get the understanding letter while learning or reading on my own. The first semester I learned a lot. And it is the first semester that I had few marks. But it was the fear that I had in me and I adapted to the system. I got to know the teachers and also my friends. I learned on this day. This day is very important to me more than you can think about it. As for me, I did not know that I will stand here on this day. I don't know if you can give it much value like I do. Let me first thank Dr. Grace.
Dr. Grace
Dr. Grace did not know me. But he has given me something important or given me something that I had never thought I will have. Thank you so much. I thank God who gave you that hard life so that you can think about this idea. Also, she's a child to her parents. But she's a parent to all these people. Thank you because you made me a member of EJCHEF family. And I promise you this is not my last happiness, but it is a start of greatness. I thank you with your family.
Bishop.
I thank Bishop.
Bishop arakomeye muri Nairobi kubatabizi.
Bishop is a great man in Nairobi. For those who don't know him,
kumubona.
A lot of people wish to see him. But he is my best friend.
Cyane kandi
He is my best friend. He usually gives me great advices like a parent. And also he teaches me how to pray. I thank God for this day. I have not yet accepted that I have graduated. And I felt like this is not me. While I was thinking what has happened to me. I wish to speak to my father yesterday. But what's that?
Environment.
But because of the environment that he is in right now, I was not able to communicate or talk to him. But you had talked to him in the previous week.
Voice note.
And he told me he's going to send a voice note so that Dr. Grace can hear it.
I wish ko yari kuba yayitumye ariko kubera impamvu za network atayatumye ariko azayituma kuko afite amashimwe kurusha mfite.
I wished that he could have sent it earlier, but he's going to send it because he has a lot of testimonies more than I have.
Ndashimira Imana rero kubw'uyu munsi.
I thank God for this beautiful day.
Ariko kandi mfite message ku bakobwa bagenzi banje.
And I also have a message to my fellow ladies.
Ibibazo bakobwa ndabizi.
I know all the problems that girls usually face.
N'imiryango tubamwe bitubwira ndabizi.
And what our family usually tell us, I also know about them.
Uzumva umumama yivugisha mu nzu kumva aravuze ngo umwana wanaka ngo yarashatse umungo hanze ngo nyina ntakenta kibura.
You hear that some women say, you know, the child of a certain person has married a husband from America.
Iyo uvuze gutyo kuri twebwe.
When you say that to us,
abakiri batoya ahita yumva kuko mu mugabo wo hanze nibwo buzima.
We hear it as if marrying a person from America is the goal.
Bigatuma mugenda mugabanya indoto nziza z'aba bana.
And you reduce our dreams for greatness.
Ariko ndabasaba bakobwa bato.
But I request the young ladies,
kuko ndabaruta hafi mwese,
because I'm elder than you.
Abamama nubwo baza bibavuga ibyo bintu.
Even if elder women say those words to you.
Nubwo batoya kuri mwebwe bashatse.
Even if those who are younger than you, they have already been married. We have an example of that grace, that a woman can be a great person. Let's learn with a lot of resilience. I know you are beautiful. People who are searching for you, there are a lot here. But you know what you want. Stop those noises from outside. Let's learn with resilience. Let's pray to God. Let's look at Dr. Grace because he's a great example and he's holding our hand. Let's use this opportunity that you have been given so that you can go far places even if they stop giving us the opportunity.
Kuba mama,
to all the women, the gents don't usually say those words. Some women say a lot of things which are not good. But
Bishop akazababwira ukuntu yumva ari proud na Grace.
I wish the bishop was able to speak how he is proud of Dr. Grace.
Kinageze n'igihe cyo guhabwa amafaranga kuko mwe mushaka ko amafaranga aza byihuse.
Sometimes you wish that you make have money at a faster rate.
Atekereza amafaranga Grace yaza vuba akabana menshi kurusha yo bishop yabona kuri Guillaume.
And maybe the money from Dr. Faraja comes faster to the bishop more than from Gihome.
Icyo nshaka kuvuga nuko abakobwa bakundi wabo ku rwego rwo hejuru n'ubwo bataba barize.
What I want to say is that women love their home more than anything else.
Ntabwo nshaka kuvuga ko basaza bacu badakundi wabo ariko kufundi wacu kubarusha.
I don't wish to say that men do not love their home, but women love their home more.
mudushigikire.
Kindly support us.
Mureke kuza mwivovota mutubwire ko bamwe bashatse babo hanze tungana.
Kindly don't say those words that our age mates have married men from outside country, from the United States.
Nazozo nabitekereza ntukazo bivuga bari kumva.
Even if you think about it, kindly don't say it while the kids are hearing you.
Yeah. Kuko nimwe bantu twizera cyane kurusha abandi bantu.
Because you are the people that we believe more than anyone else.
Yibuza akajambo kamwe twumva ariko kuri nyine ntawundi ushaka kukakontredire.
And if a woman says something, we believe it is true.
Niyo mpamvu nifuza kuko
That's why I wish
mwafasha abakobwa bacu.
kindly help our young girls.
Mwabafashe kwitwara neza mu mago.
Help them to have the discipline in the
Ariko kandi
house.
mwabafashe kugira ngo batekereze cyane.
And also help them to think of greater things.
Bakore n'umwete mwinshi.
And also work with a lot of resilience.
Mfite amagambo menshi yo kuvuga.
I have a lot of things to say.
Ariko reka mbe ndeke hanga
But let me leave it at that and give time to the next speakers.
Kandi nzi yuko nzakomeza mbivuga mu buryo bwo kuvuga gutyo kwijwi cyangwa mu buryo bwo kwandika cyangwa mu buryo bw'ibikorwa nzabikora.
I know I'll keep on doing it in different ways.
Mu gihe Grace yakimfasha ukuboko.
And until Dr. Grace is still holding my hand,
iriya candle vampire izaka kwisi.
The candle will light to the world.
Murakoze cyane kumpeza uyu mwanya kandi
Thank you
mwakoze
so much
kuza.
for giving me this time and thank you for coming.
Tic tac, vuba vuba. Tic tac.
Tic tac, tic tac, tic tac. Tic tac, kamera kashe.